Hey guys, welcome to my first carp fishing video on my channel, and I'm hoping it's going to be a special one because we are at Bossard, the home of monster carp in France. Okay, we're here for a week. It is day 2. Yesterday was a bit of a write-off for any video content because it just rained the whole way here across the ferry. We travelled through the night and then 4 hours of driving in the dark yesterday morning, so we've got set up. I've had nothing through the night. There's 3 of us here. Aaron and Andy are on the peg round the corner. Aaron had a 52 pounder last night to start him off. I've had a few beeps but nothing yet, so yeah, hopefully we can get a bit of content. We'll have a look around the lake later on, and yeah, hopefully it's a good week. Morning everyone, it's Monday morning, technically day 3. Nothing through the night here. I haven't seen Aaron yet. I believe Aaron and Andy had 1, maybe 2 fish yesterday evening. So I did have a beep which I hit last night about 8:30, but it took me straight into the snags and I lost it, which is a shame. So yeah. So tried to reset last night, but in the dark, had a few bait boat issues. Just dropped as far as I could get and left it there for tonight. So there you go. We go again today. But breakfast has just arrived. And I've got a coffee. So I'm going to eat this and then probably reset. Don't say it very often, but I don't want to bite right now. I do not want to be going out there in that. It's horrendous. At least my new bivvy's getting a good test though. Check out this rainbow, full rainbow. I think there's 2 there actually. I can't see it. Just see the second one. This is why we do this. Look at that. What a view. What a peg. Definitely one of my favourite pegs I've ever fished this. Just for the view. Not for the fish obviously, because I haven't seen any. But yeah, loving this peg. Just need a fish to finish it off. Maybe tonight. Come on. Come on, fish. Hey guys, so it's 6 o'clock, Monday, end of day 2.5, still no fish. Aaron's had 3, Andy's had none. Andy has done a bit of stalking and still ended up 0. So it's been a beautiful day here at Bossard, still no fish. What we have done today is I've noticed how I've picked up some new reels before I come out here, and they're not new, they're second hand, but what I've noticed is the line's been tied together, so it's been catching as I've been driving the boat out. So I've spent a couple of hours sat with Aaron this afternoon down in their swim, and we've basically re-spooled, cut the line off, re-spooled, changed the rigs, changed all the hook baits, had a bit of a chat about what's going on, and reloaded. So I have now changed tactics. I've changed position. So since I've only had one beep, so we'll see what tonight brings. So I can. Yeah, feeling positive. I've just my boat's playing up a little bit, but I've just spotted out some particle and some pellet. It's all good. It's all good. We're feeling good. It's even better because I can hear the quad bite coming with tea. So we're gonna go get me tea and see what we got tonight. We'll have a look. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, look, tea's here. Let's have a look, see what we got tonight. Ooh, bangers and mash. Yum yum. Oh my word, my favourite, apple crumble and ice cream nut. And a little stumpy beer, which I'll be having in a little while. Yum yum. Right, I'm off to have my tea, say some fishy prayers and hope for the best. Check this guy out. He's been here every evening so far. He obviously knows where the fish are at. It's absolutely stacks of these cranes or herons over here. They're beautiful, absolutely magnificent creatures. I'm going to sit here for a few minutes and watch him, see what he does. I bet he gets more fish than me tonight. Look at that. Beautiful. We just need a fish. Hi guys. Just woken up to a screaming run. It's 5:30. Check this out. First fish. Let's get her out in the cradle and photographed. See how much she weighs. Wow guys, what a fish. So I did forget to get any video footage of the actual fish in all the commotion and all the excitement, but got plenty of great photos. I had to net the fish a little while. I've waited for Aaron to wake up. He's around the corner over my left shoulder. So once he was up, he's come round and taken the photos for me, which I've put on the video. Bloody wasps. Yeah, cracking fish. Just under £39, mirror carp. Beautiful. So yeah, that's a new PB for me, and the main thing is that I'm not going to blank this week. That's the biggest thing. Yeah, beautiful, lovely to wake up to. So breakfast will be here soon. I've got a coffee and just waiting for breakfast rolls to arrive. So it's the last day. Yesterday I moved swims, I packed up on Banzai's, and I've moved down into the corner at RB's, which is the other side of the swim next to Aaron and Andy. Shallower water. I've got an issue with the fact I can't get enough power in my bait boat batteries up at the up at the charging area, so I've not had a bait boat for most of the week. And Banzai's is, I've been spotting, it's too big a water for me to fish with without my bait boat really. So I've moved into the corner. shallower water, but I was told by the bailiff that I was guaranteed a catch last night, but it hasn't happened. So yeah, one night left. I don't know what the answer is. It is not easy here. So this is RB's swim, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of snags here. A lot of snags. So I'm currently fishing. Last night I was fishing out here with a blue tag in the bush, 9 wraps out there to that blue tag. I had 9 wraps straight in front of me, and then I kept it at 9 wraps right in the alleyway, right in the opening into the nursery. But yeah, a couple of bleeps last night, but not much. Well, it is frustrating because they were boshing all over the place last night. They're definitely here, they're definitely feeding. Just can't get them out. What's most frustrating though is that they're here. They're fizzing, they're bubbling, they're boshing all over the place. It was absolutely alive in here last night. And then I think because I was fishing locked up and there's so many snags here, I couldn't relax last night, so I haven't had much sleep last night. I was just waiting for it to go off, but it didn't happen until about 5 o'clock this morning. A couple of beeps and nothing. My left rod has just gone and then come back again and nothing happened, so they are there. Andy's already lost one this morning, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, just waiting for some breakfast to arrive now, catch up with the boys, and then see what we're going to try today. But last day, but to be honest with you, I'm looking forward to getting home now tomorrow. It's been a long week with very little fish, but a good week though. Good week, yeah, good experience.
Look. Head up. Big lift. Oh, it's a 30. It's a fucking, I bet it's not far off the 40, that mate.
No, that's a fucking hooking fish.
That's a 40. Dickhead.
There you go, £44. Ready? I'm not even joking, literally 10 minutes after me making my last little snippet then, saying how hard the lake is, and I'm basically ready to go home. Breakfast arrived, bit into my roll, boom, £44 of beautiful. We got 24 hours left, less than 24 hours now. The rod is baited up again. I'm back out. I'm just glad I made those changes at 6 o'clock this morning. Dragged them all in. Took the wafters and the pop-ups off and put on that one there. Came in on a 20mm sticky manila boilie, so fished over a little PVA, a little PVA stick mix in the channel. So yeah, I'm fishing just here on this suit, right in the middle of that gap there.
So what was your PB, Cheddars? before you come here?
20.
And what have you done since you've been here?
38, 44, 29.
Well done, boy.
That's it, 2 fish, people.
Well done, boy. Oh. You got in there, on it, bud. Well done, mate.
That fucking stinks.
You fucking stink. Say something for the camera.
I don't know what to say.
Cracking trip.
I got
Well
wet
done,
feet.
mate.
Cracking trip. Let's see you next year.
Last show of the fish. Let it go.
You enjoy that?
Nice little fish to end the day. Well done, Chadders.